How to fix WhatsApp verification code problem not received. So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So don't worry, the problem is gonna be fixed. So first thing, open the settings on your phone and then scroll down, go to the apps manager, and after that go to apps. Now here all what you have to do is simple, just wait a few seconds. It will show you all the apps that you have on your phone. Just scroll down until you find WhatsApp and then click on it like this. After that, all what you have to do now is click on this option here in the top. It's called force stop, and then go back to the settings and go to the wireless and networks, and then make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled and disable it again like this and enable it. Now turn off your phone and turn it on again and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.